Hi, Jamie here, also known as Standard American. My wife Kim and I have recently purchased property in Northern California, where we are going to make a home to enjoy our retirement in the woods. Thank you for coming along on this journey with us. Peppermint chased a squirrel up the tree.
Yeah.
And there's Groot.
I don't know why he's walking around.
Let's just gonna lay there and watch that tree because knows there's a squirrel up there. And then there's a lilybug. Where'd she go?
I'm right here.
Whoa, you're close. There we go. I had it zoomed way in. No wonder I couldn't find you. She is standing guard watching for that squirrel.
I can't believe he's like a watcher squirrel.
Yeah.
I see you over there, head.
There's the squirrel right there in the tree.
I can see it. Peppermint can't.
Peppermint's sitting there watching it.
Yeah.
She's wishing she could climb that tree.
Yeah. But I do not like that creepy head over there.
Yep. There's the squirrel. Oh, there she goes again.
Squirrely, be careful. There's dogs. That's warning you.
You're funny.
I hope she...
All right, you two, knock it off.
I agree with Grandpa.
Don't play rough with Groot, Pepper.
Yeah, or he might bite you.
Well, he's still got a sore back from when he was paralyzed.
What?
Oh, I lost the squirrel. It jumped to another tree.
It jumped where the green tree is.
I got it. Mow the lawn and do some weed eating again.
Yep, because
Weeds are
look
getting
in the
crazy.
front.
We gotta sell this place.
Yeah, look in the front. It's like so weedy.
I know,
Right
huh?
here.
Goofy girl.
I'm going to dive in.
Hey, Standard American here. Standard American doing Standard American things. So today, I don't know if you noticed in my last video, my yard's a mess. And I'm going to get her all cleaned up today. I'm going to mow this tall mess of a lawn, do some weed eating, get all that squared away. So we got to get ready to sell this place. We actually have my father-in-law's girlfriend's gonna come out and start taking care of the yard work, and but I'm gonna get a head start on it, get it mowed down, get some of the weeds out of the patio back here and all that. So yeah, that'll be fun. Well, now I'll get the pressure washer and spray all this off, and if I think if I blast enough in them cracks where the wooden boards and stuff are, I can blast the grass roots and stuff all out of there, maybe. I don't know, we'll see, but I'll blast it off anyways. See if this wide tip will clean the concrete or not. So this concrete's got all these dark stains from organic matter, and yeah, it's quite satisfying to blast it off with this. I didn't get the real super powerful one because I just got it mainly to wash the travel trailer and the boat, so this works great for that, but it's interesting to use it for things like this too. Alright, well, there you have it. It did pretty good cleaning this stuff up. I didn't do all of it because, it's a pretty big patio, and I just wanted to test it out, see how it would work, and worked pretty good. So if you're wondering what it is I'm using, I'll flip you around here and show you. So this is it. It's Extreme SPX 3000 by Sunjo. And it's got a, for like if you're washing the travel trailer, that nozzle goes on the end of the wand and it soaps it all up and everything. And then you get all these different tips that you can put on there. There's the 15% wide, the 0, which is a point, 25%, and then this one's a 40, I believe. Yeah. And it's got these different attachments for like when you're scrubbing the travel trailer, it snaps on the wand and all that. This one will actually go on the end of your wand, so you can like scrub the rims and all kinds of stuff with it. So it's pretty good. It's not bad. Like I said, we got it to wash the travel trailer when we got home from Arizona, and it works pretty good for that. And I've used it to wash the boat too. And I just discovered that it blasts the cement off on the patio pretty good. So, alright, well, I just put the sprinkler out in the backyard. So, we'll get all this watered up good today. And while this is going, I'm going to go around front and mow the front yard. Alright. Yeah, that was a dusty mess mowing like a desert out there. We'll get it all watered up though. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed that. One of the next projects is going to be getting this thing out of here and packed up and ready to go up to the property. I've still got some work to do on it to make it work properly, but when I get it up there, I'll tear all the sides off of it and rewire it. I think a rat got in there and ate the wiring all up. So, well, I don't think, I know. But yeah, so yeah, we'll get all that squared away. And I thought that would be a fun little thing to, hit this patio with the pressure washer, see what that done. And then next project, I'll be tearing that canopy all apart and getting it packed up too. So yeah, I hope you're enjoying that. And here coming real soon, we'll get back up to the property and get some tractor action in. So I'm looking forward to that. All right, we'll catch you on the next one. Me and Groot relaxing after doing yard work. Huh, buddy? What you doing? You want to say hi? Say hi. He's like, no, I don't want to. Goofy dog. He's like, no, I'm lazy. We're both lazy now. I'm just got the sprinklers going and I'm relaxing. Got my feet up. Yep, he's a tired puppy. Wore him out watching me do the yard work through the window, apparently. The other two are asleep in Jake's room.